Hi there, welcome to our video tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to find leads and discover new companies from our internal database through Lead Search. To search for someone specific, enter their name and company. Hit the search button to pull up their details. Once you've found the lead, click the Get Email button to see their verified work email, which you can save for later. If you're looking for new leads, you can use broader filters like job titles, industry, headcount, location, and revenue. You can also add more filters like funding status or founding year. When you're ready, click Search again to see a full list of leads. For each lead, click the green Get Emails button to reveal all the emails. You can save them to an existing list or create a new one. With Lead Search, you have access to a huge database of companies and professionals, making it easy to build your lead list. For any questions, please feel free to send us an email. I hope this was helpful and meet you in the next video.